Hello, this is my experimental setup consisting of S7-1500, CPU 151 two Servo drivers, SINAMICS V90 and two Servo motors. I have previously created a project for the CPU that I use. Open Network View. This is where we can find our SINAMICS V90 Servo driver. But if it's not here, you'll need to install it. Go to this website, the link is in the description, and download the GSD file. Go to Option, Manage General Station Description File. Next, select the folder where the downloaded file is located. Choose the file and click Install. I'll click Cancel since I have already installed it. I am adding a Servo driver to the network view, connecting it to the CPU, next, go to the topology view and connect the CPU to the driver here. This is where we link the specific connectors of the driver. Now switch to the device view, then double-click on the CPU. This is its IP address. Select the Servo driver and double-click on it. This is its IP address in the project. Here we can see the device name. The name must meet several requirements, which we'll cover shortly. The issue is that even if you enter a name that doesn't meet the requirements, it wouldn't display any error or notification. Open vAssistant. Choose online mode. The Servo driver automatically identifies the type of motor connected to it. Go to the Setup PROFINET section. We can see the available telegrams used for communication between the CPU and the driver. I have prepared a brief description of each telegram's functionality. Select Telegram 3. We configure the network here. This is the current driver name. Next, navigate to the network settings in your tier portal project to verify the driver's name. Copy the name of the driver and paste it here. These are the few requirements I mentioned earlier for the driver name. The IP protocol setup is the same as in the tier portal project, so we won't change these setups. Save PROFINET setups and parameters to ROM. With this button, save only PROFINET setups. Finally, restart driver. If we want, we can keep the project. Add the same telegram that was selected during driver setup. Create a technology object. Select the driver. This is the minimal setup required. Download the project to the PLC. The project is loading, so we can now test driver control. Activate the driver. Enabling the driver. We can test different operating modes here. First, home the access. Switching operating mode. Relative positioning is a motion control mode in which the motor moves a specified distance from its current position. Set distance and start moving. Actual positioning is 200. Moving backward. Actual position is 100 millimeters. Switching the operating mode. Absolute positioning is a mode where the motor moves to a specific fixed position in a defined coordinate system regardless of its current position. Set new position and start moving. Repeat the test with another position. Disable driver. Let test function blocks for control motor. This is a motion control function block that controls the power state of a drive, enabling or disabling it for operation. This is a motion control command that establishes a reference point for the axis. This is a functional block that commands an axis to move a specific absolute position in the defined coordinate system. Downloading project to the PLC. Let's testing the program. Start roaming. Start moving to position. Modify position. Start moving. This is the functional block that commands an axis to move a specific distance relative to its current position.
Config program to PLC. Let's testing this functional block. Start moving to distance. That's it. Thanks for watching.